In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize and format your video for platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts using CapCut. This is a great skill to have if you want to effectively reach audiences on these popular platforms, which favor the vertical 916 format. So let's dive right in and guide you through this straightforward process. First, you'll need to open CapCut on your computer. Once you have the application up and running, proceed to create a new project. Starting a new project sets up your workspace and prepares you to import the video clips you'll be editing today. With your new project ready, the next step is to import your video. Locate the import option, select your desired video file, and then drag it onto the timeline. This area is where all the magic happens. It's your creative canvas for editing and refining your video content. Now let's focus on the preview options. Take a look at the top or sides of your editor. You'll find an option labeled Aspect Ratio. Selecting this allows you to tailor the video's dimensions to fit various platforms. Under the resolution settings, you'll want to choose the 9:16 aspect ratio. This vertical format is essential for TikTok and YouTube Shorts, providing an optimal viewing experience on mobile devices. Once the aspect ratio is set, click on your video directly in the preview window. You'll notice that resizing handles appear around the video. This is where you can customize the fit. Grab one of the corners and drag it to adjust the video's size. It's crucial to ensure your content fits neatly within the new vertical frame, so take your time to drag and reposition the video. This adjustment ensures that important content stays centered and properly framed within the 9:16 display. After you've resized and repositioned your video, take a moment to review your work in the preview window. You'll see that your video is now formatted in the vertical orientation, exactly as it will appear on TikTok or YouTube Shorts. The changes you made will also reflect on the timeline, giving you a cohesive view of how the final output will look. Congratulations! You've successfully resized your video for vertical platforms using CapCut. This editing technique is vital in today's digital landscape, where mobile-driven content is key. By following these steps, you can enhance your video content's accessibility and shareability online. And that's a wrap on today's tutorial. I hope you found this video helpful for your next social media project. Remember to stay creative and experiment with different edits in CapCut to make your videos stand out from the crowd. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.